My husband and I purchased this oak table for $40 at our local thrift store. To better prepare the table for staining, I began sanding all the surfaces. This table came with 2 leaf attachments. After I finished sanding all the furniture, I wiped down everything that was sanded. Alright you guys, this is my first time staining, so we will see how this turns out. To apply the stain, I used a sock from the Dollar Tree. I have to admit, at this point I was skeptical that things was not going to turn out right. I continued to use the gel stain until I got the desired look that I was looking for. Next, I began applying the gel stain to the chairs. These chairs were not purchased with the table, we already had these chairs. The chairs you see here are made of pine and the table is made of oak. I applied only one coat to the chairs. Alright you guys, I'm excited. The table and chairs turned out fantastic, better than I expected. After letting the chairs and the table dry for 48 hours, I applied the polyacrylic protective finish. I used a knife to stir the finish to prevent bubbles. Alright you guys, don't judge. I used what I had. I happen to have this brush, so this is what I used to apply the finish. I applied 2 coats of the finish and I let this dry for 48 hours. You guys, oh my goodness, I am so excited at how well this turned out. What do you think?